C++ is a powerful and popular programming language that has been used in a wide range of applications, from building operating systems and device drivers to developing video games and web applications. C++ is an extension of the C programming language and was created in the early 1980s by Bjarne Stroustrup at Bell Labs. C++ is an object-oriented programming language that allows for the creation of complex, modular software systems. It supports the four pillars of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. C++ also supports low-level programming, which allows developers to write code that can interact directly with hardware. C++ is a compiled language, which means that programs written in C++ must be compiled into machine code before they can be executed. This makes C++ programs generally faster and more efficient than interpreted languages like Python or JavaScript. C++ has a wide range of features, including support for templates, exception handling, and operator overloading. It also provides access to the C standard library, which is a collection of pre-written code that can save developers time and effort in their programming projects. In this introduction to C++, we will cover the basics of the language, including how to set up a development environment, write a simple program, and work with variables, data types, and control structures. We will also introduce object-oriented programming concepts and provide examples of how to create classes and objects in C++.